In this video, I'll show you exactly how to run Android apps on your laptop using BlueStacks, the most optimized 2025 version. This method is fast, stable, and works on almost every Windows laptop. First, open your browser and go to search BlueStacks. Go to first website and click on Download button. To run Android apps locally and smoothly, click once the setup file downloads, right-click on it, and choose Run as Administrator. After installation, BlueStacks will launch automatically. Now you're ready to install Android apps. From the BlueStacks home screen, click on the Google Play Store icon. When prompted, sign in using your Google account, the same way you would on an Android phone. This lets you access all your apps, games, and purchases. Once logged in, you can search for any app and install it. BlueStacks will automatically download and create a shortcut for each app on the home screen. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below what app you're planning to try first.